Hey, today is September 15th. The time is 9:50 a.m. Today we're going to be doing a repairability attempt for Marvin King. Here you can see the chalked out wind damage shingle to be replaced. Tools we're going to be using today is a State Farm roof snake. I'm using your classic hammer, nail puller cat's claw, and a classic flat bar for roof repairs. I'm gonna start off by breaking all the seals on these and see which shingle it is that needs to be replaced. See what we got. Pretty good. Let's see what we got. All right, shingle ends here, so we're going 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
I'm gonna go ahead and break seals here. And just for us, this is the shingle to be replaced. All right, Andrew, if you want to get a general overview of the shingles around it.
This is what we're looking at. Surround shingles.
All right.
Okay.
Now, when you get a chance, come over here and follow me, and we will go ahead and start pulling these nails.
Okay.
So, we'll go identify the first nail. It's going to be up here, under this first shingle.
Granular loss. Yep.
Massive granular loss. All right, got this first nail out. Now, Andrew, you want to get a close-up condition.
There's creasing and granular loss along the line of the shingle. Very good.
All right, on to the next one. Identify the nail to be pulled. There we go. Out. And if you want to get a close-up condition of that shingle,
it's creasing and granular loss.
All right, follow me over to the next one.
Yep.
And identify the nail to be pulled. You can see there's not excessive manipulation here. This is just standard repair.
Granular loss.
And if you want to get a close-up condition of that one.
Very good.
All right. The last nail on this course to be pulled for this shingle. Yeah, if you wanna get a close look of that one.
Some granular loss and creasing.
You can follow me over here to this next one. And go ahead and identify this nail to be pulled. Alright, Andrew, if you want to get a close-up condition of that shingle.
Creasing and granular loss.
On to the next one. Same deal here. Seems to be a common theme here on this roof. All right, on to the next one. All right. And this is our second cord. I think we have one more nail on that, so that would be, this is the 7th nail.
Granular just pouring right off that shingle.
All right, Andrew, if you want to get a close-up of that, we're gonna go ahead and just check this next one. All right, after that, just to see if there's any nails that, here's the end of our shingle, so that was the last nail.
Correct.
All right. So we should be able to just go ahead and slide the shingle out.
Good.
Comes out no problem. Alright. Slide this one in. You can see just the basic manipulation of these shingles causes it to
Yep.
crease from brittleness, and it's losing granules. All right. In the installation process, we're going to be using State Farm roof snake to minimize manipulation, and regular roofing nails and a hammer. So
Nothing out of the ordinary.
nothing out of the ordinary. It's just had a magnet in it, you know that?
Yeah.
We want to identify all the places we took nails out, find the nail line. Push it off. We drive that home.
Good deal.
You can see just the more you mess with these shingles, the more damage they become.
Yeah, I see
Let's try to drive this home real quick. So that one bent due to the pitch of the roof. Let's go ahead and remove that one. Put another one in. What's going on here? Alright, let's try this one more time. Find our nail. Drive that one home. And you see there's just enough room.
Yep.
I'm not bending these excessively. Not being too rough. And our last one on this first course.
Love to see it.
And the next one. Into the mouth. Pull that back out. Alright. Should be our last one. Andrew, if you want to go ahead and get an overview of the condition of these shingles after the repair test.
All surrounding shingles are compromised.
Repair test. It's been failed. We're done here.